When it comes to content creation on YouTube, there's many popular tools out there. There's tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, but in today's video, I want to share with you one tool that I've been using with my clients recently, and I've been seeing great results with it. And if you're a content creator or you're someone who's trying to build your personal brand, a struggle that a lot of people have is that they don't know what videos to make. Or if you're like me, you might have too many video ideas that you don't know which videos to pick, and you're trying to find the best videos that you think will get the most views or will help you reach the right audience. So the tool that we're going to talk about today is called Nexlev, which is a Chrome extension. Alright, so let's take a look at Nextlev. So when I log into YouTube, you'll see that this Nextlev button is right here. And this will be present on all the YouTube pages. So when I click here, one of the cool features is I can filter by what types of content I want to see. I can filter by long videos, shorts, and I can even search for big or small channels and how many views they get. Now, I'll get into detail about why this is important. A better way to do this is through keywords. Now, YouTube is a search engine, and that's what makes YouTube different from other platforms out there. And while other tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ offer SEO tools, how YouTube SEO works now is quite different than what it used to be before. And that's because most of the content that we consume on YouTube is not because we search for something. Rather, it's because YouTube has recommended certain videos to you, whether it's in the form of shorts or long videos. Now, as you can see, I'm on the home page. I'm seeing videos that YouTube thinks that I might be interested in. But if you want to do some topic research, what I would suggest is think of a keyword that your ideal audience is searching for. And this could be across any niche. So for example, one of the biggest niches on YouTube is fitness. So if I search for how to lose weight, now this is not the best keyword because it's pretty broad, and I'll show you how we can get more specific with this. But generally speaking, a lot of people are interested in this topic and a lot of people do search for these things. You can see I have vidIQ right here. So it's showing me some, score in terms of the search volume. It's pretty high. Competition is also very high. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to click on filters. Okay. And I want to find video ideas that have a good amount of views, let's just say at least 50,000 views, bare minimum. And let's just skip shorts for now. I'm going to click on long form, and I'm looking for channels that are not very big, because big channels have been there for a long time. They've been making videos, as you can see, 12 years ago. This one is kind of new, but a lot of the content is grandfathered in, so it's got that authority already. But with certain topics like this one, people are also searching for new topics. They want to keep up with the latest in terms of what's going on in the world of fitness or what the latest studies are and so on. So we're going to go into smaller channels. So let's just say a maximum of 50,000 subscribers. And I'm going to click go. Once I click go, I can see channels out here that are not very big, but they have a lot of views, like this one. So if you like any of these topics, I'll get into how you can save them. But if you like any of these topics, this is a great way for you to find content ideas from smaller channels that still get a lot of views. And this means that if you have a smaller channel, you have a chance of getting views for the same or similar videos because there's a lot of interest around those topics. Okay, so this is a potential topic, it's how to lose weight. But looking at the long tail keyword, it's how to lose weight naturally, and it's weight loss for teens or weight loss tips for teens. These are both like specific keywords, more long tail, and they're reaching a specific audience. So general video like how to lose weight might not be applicable to everyone, although generally it's a good topic. But if you make a niche specific video like weight loss for teens or weight loss, how to lose weight naturally, a lot of people have this misconception that, you might have to do some kind of surgeries or take some kind of supplements and whatnot, which they don't want to. Another thing is based on the thumbnail and the name of the channel, it seems like it's also directed towards females and teenagers and people who are interested in doing things naturally. So this channel has 41,000 subscribers, but the views are around 4 times of what the subscribers are. So clearly this is a good topic. So what I can do right here is I'll click on the video.
How to be slim.
Once the video opens, I can see what kind of content it is. Seems like it's like an explainer video, but there's no face. It's like a presentation kind of format. And right here, I can see These symbols will not be visible when you log into YouTube without Nextlev, so I can see whether this channel is monetized or not. I can save this video to my swipe file. So because we like this topic, right? We saw, okay, there's a lot of views, not that many subscribers. I can just save this for my future use, right? So I can save the entire video. I can add a description. So, fitness video. How to lose weight. So that if I have a lot of videos to save, then I can search for what categories I've put the video in. I can save the whole video or I can save a part of the video. Let's just say I like a particular timestamp, then I can do that. And I can also save the thumbnail. So for example, if I'm just looking for thumbnail ideas, or I want to send a thumbnail idea to someone to review, or maybe a graphic designer, then I can also save the thumbnail, or I can just save the whole video. So this is really cool right here. And I can also create a folder. So right now I'm just going to create a folder called Fit. So I created a folder and I'm just going to save it. So this way, if I'm spending enough time on YouTube, let's just say I spend 5 minutes or 10 minutes a day going through some popular videos, see what's working, see what my target audience is really interested in, then this is a great way where every day I can save certain topics, and at the end of the week even, I'll have a lot of topics to review, and then all I gotta do is film those videos for the week. By the way, another cool feature about Nextlev is, if you see right here, it says analyze comments. Now, this video has a good amount of comments, 323 comments. Oftentimes, people also leave fake comments, or there's bots out there, which we definitely want to be on the lookout for, because many times people boost video views just to get more views or show people that they have a big channel. But oftentimes they're not real viewers and they're just fake bots. And you can see by reading the comments. Now, based on reading the comments right here, it doesn't seem like that's the case with this channel, so that's good. It seems to be real viewers. If I click on analyze comments, this is another way you can get some good market research in terms of not just what content people are consuming and what videos are getting views, but also you can see what kind of comments the viewers are leaving. So right here, it says 85% of the comments are positive, 15% negative, which is good. You can see some AI generated ideas based on the comments and topics right here. Because we found one topic, which is how to lose weight naturally or how to lose weight for teens, you can see right here that there's other ideas that pop up, right? There's create a video on healthy meal prep for busy people. So that could be another good idea for you. Understanding your BMR, how to calculate and use it. Then there's topics like fun and easy cardio workouts for beginners. So if you like any of these, you can just copy these. You can also see the competition right here. So if you want to see how competitive a particular keyword is, of course, if you use vidIQ, they will also tell you. But just if you want to see how popular and how competitive a keyword is, you can see the actual videos in real time, see if this is a video you want to compete with or you think you can make a better video on. For example, this video is 12 years old, 22 million views. Now, if people are looking for newer or fresher videos on this topic, you may be able to rank or outrank them. You can also see what people liked about the video and see what people disliked about the video. And this could be your unique opportunity right here, because there might be a video that gets a good amount of views, but they didn't cover everything. Or maybe people were disappointed or they wanted to see something. And this is your opportunity to make a video that addresses those issues that the person making the video did not really address. Okay, so another feature, you might see some buttons right here which are not usually present when you are not using Nextlev. One is I can download and copy the thumbnail of the video. It's pretty simple. I can just download it right here, or I can copy and paste it. And this is really cool because instead of taking screenshots of a thumbnail or using some third-party apps to download a thumbnail, this is one click and it's done. The other feature that I really like to use is the script feature. I can see by timestamp, I can see what the entire transcript is, but more importantly, I can summarize it. So if I'm doing topic research or if I'm trying to see what the video is about, and this is like an 8-minute video, which is not too bad. But if I don't have time to go through the entire video, I can just click script and summarize. This could be great for market research, or if I'm trying to research the topic for my own video, you can just copy and paste this And even put this into tools like ChatGPT if you want to generate a script, because this pretty much summarizes what this video was about. So major time saving tool right here. If I want to generate some topics based on the script, here are some more topics. Again, you might get so many ideas for videos just by doing this that you really don't need to spend too much time on YouTube. Just by looking at one video, we probably generated like a dozen video ideas. If I want to copy this, if I want to copy the timestamps, I can do that. Or if I want to send those timestamps to someone, I can also do that. I can copy the entire transcript. I can copy the script. I can copy the summary and the topics, and I can use it for my future reference or save it. One tool that I really like to use for my team projects is Asana. So that's a free project management tool that I use with my team. And if you're a beginner, you can also try Trello, which is a great project management tool. Even if you want to organize your day-to-day life or personal projects, I think it's a great way to get started. And another feature is you can screenshot particular frames. So if I want to screenshot this one, I can just hit the camera icon right here, screenshot, and I can either download it or copy it. If I'm trying to gather ideas for something, or if I want to send something to my editor or my graphic designer. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Anand. I've been in marketing for over 10 years and I run a social media marketing agency called VidGrowth. We work with businesses of all sizes, small businesses, medium-sized businesses, enterprises, as well as personal brands. Now, Nextlev is not a free tool, it is a paid tool. But if you want to check it out, click the link below. And I also have a discount code for Nextlev in case you want to use it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.